Hello everyone. In this video, I'm excited to discuss a critical aspect of risk management, and that is stop loss orders. Now, in this video, we are going to talk about stop loss orders and ultimately how to use them, set them, and forget them with Tradelocker trading platform. So understanding how to effectively use stop loss orders can help protect your trading capital, right, and improve your overall trading strategy. Okay, so with that being said, let's dive into this video. Now, first, let's define what a stop loss order is. Okay, now a stop loss order is a type of order that you place, right? You'll place, and does not matter what you trade, right? Whether you're trading US 30, NAS 100, forex pairs, gold, but you'll basically place that, and when the price reaches a certain level, the main purpose of this is to basically limit your losses in a trade. Okay, so for example, let's say you're trading US 30 and you set a stop loss at, let's say you buy at, we'll just say you're looking to buy up here for this breakout, right? You're looking to buy up here for this breakout of maybe 42, 593.67. Okay, and you put a stop loss order at, we'll say 42, 584. Okay, your trade will automatically close if the price drops to that level. So this is basically limiting your loss to however many pips, however many points, right? So this basically helps you, manage your risk and protect your capital from significant drawdowns. Okay, and also ultimately just downturns. Okay, so trading is all about emotions, and if you're not using a stop loss, you're really leaving up to you being very strong, disciplined trader. So let's talk about the benefits of using a stop loss order, guys. Right, so obviously number one is risk management, and obviously stop loss orders are essential for managing risk in trading. So by setting a predefined exit point, right? You know your exit point, right? By you setting that, you can protect your capital and prevent emotions from driving your decisions, right? Again, trading is all about emotion. So by you placing a stop loss order, you're able to protect your account. You know what you're willing to risk. So you have to know, ideally, okay, I'm going to risk $50. So you put a stop loss at $50. So no matter what, right? No matter what, it'll just take care of it for you, okay? It's automatic execution, right? So once you set a stop loss order, it executes automatically, so freeing you from the need to monitor your trades consistently. Now, a lot of people have jobs, and that's fine. So, by you having a stop loss order, it automatically will monitor this for you. So this could be, particularly useful during times of high volatility, or again, when you're unable to watch the market, all day and just monitor very closely. So most important thing is discipline, right? So using a stop loss order helps you stick to your trading plan by having a set limit of losses. You can avoid them, that temptation of holding onto a losing position and in hopes that they will turn around. So again, this is a live account. Actually, I am going to place a trade here. I'm going to place a trade, and let's see if I don't put NAS 100 or US 30. I am going to basically place a trade here. I'm actually going to sell. I'm going to sell NAS 100 here. We'll go, again, this is a bad time to trade. Do I want to sell NAS 100? Do I want to buy US 30? These are both shitty ass setups. We're going to go buy US 30. We're going to maybe buy like a little dip here. We'll go 0.05 lots. Buy this. There, I bought it. Down $10. Now, to basically set a stop loss order, you can either, you can basically click on it. You can click on it and then choose stop loss and basically know where you want to set your stop loss. So in this case, I'm basically setting my stop loss at, we'll say $30, right? So I'll set it at $30. So there, I got a stop loss set. So that means right now I'm down $10, $5, and automatically, essentially, if it keeps dropping down, right? If it keeps dropping down, it will stop me out. No, I won't lose more than $30. Now, again, trading is all about emotions. Now, again, the way I trade, right? If the trade goes into profit, right? If the trade goes into profit, then what I'll do is, if I'm able to monitor my trades, I'll adjust my stop loss. Okay. Again, this is basically set a stop loss with Tradelocker. Super easy, Super easy, friendly to use. I have my stop loss here in a trade locker. I have my stop loss. It basically tells me the price my stop loss is at. So in this case, it's 42,574. It's basically showing me it's 0.12%, $31. So let's say if I don't have to click this and adjust it, but as you can see, as I am basically adjusting it, it's changing everything here in my position details. So if I want to say, okay, I want to risk, I'm looking to risk $50. Boom, I can adjust that like that, okay? And you can see that dotted line is my stop loss. So again, there's different kinds of stop losses. There's a standard stop loss. This is the most common, when you basically set a price level for your order to be triggered. You have trailing stop loss. So, as the price goes up, let's say if I'm up with profit, then the stop loss automatically follows. So no matter what, I'm going to basically, I don't have to keep worrying about adjusting it, right? So again, as the trade goes up, I can, it'll automatically manually adjust it. That's the beautiful part about a trailing stop loss is, again, the order moves with the market price. So if the price moves in your favor, then the stop loss level adjusts accordingly, allowing you to lock in profits while still protecting your downside, right? So that's what's really important. Now, I would say guaranteed stop loss, offered by some brokers. This is the type of guarantees that your stop loss will be executed at a specific level, regardless of market conditions. However, it may come with additional costs or wider spread. So that's just something to keep in mind. Now, again, this is horrible time to trade. I do want to adjust this stop loss. I'm basically just going to click here, drag it, and basically tell myself like I'm going to lose $20, right? $20 ain't really shit. So I'll just leave it at that. Hopefully it gets executed here. I actually want to lose. I actually want to lose on this so you guys can basically see. Now, again, this is a live stop loss. This is a live account, live trade, live everything. I told you guys that with these videos, I'm going to put out solid, raw education for you guys. So again, let's pretend you're at your company, you're at your job, you got a busy day, you don't have time to monitor it. You take, whether it's my signals or somebody else's signals, you enter it, you set it, you forget it, you can go about your day. You don't have to worry about, coming back and seeing your count negative like $500,000 or anything like that. You'll see this is gonna get executed. Like I said, I want this to get executed, and right now we're down $10. I set my stop loss to, we could see here where the trade's at. I set my stop loss to $20, so I'm hoping this thing gets triggered here, and then we can see when it gets stopped out what it was really at. So again, we want to get stopped out here. I want to lose $20. We want to get stopped out here. So let's see what happens here. Again, we want to see this one keep dropping, but knowing our luck, it's probably going to push up, and it's like, no, we have to keep adjusting it. So again, we're down $15.05. Again, because this is already set, there's no emotions. It's like, okay, it's easy. I can just go about my day. I can set it, forget it, go about my day, and not have to worry about this. And again, she's pushing up. We don't really want to see push up. We kind of want to see it drop a little bit more. So let's see what happens here. So right now we're down negative $5.05. Let's see what happens here. Again, we want to see, and again, if it pushes up, that's fine. I'll adjust my stop loss to profit. And again, that's going to be another video I'm going to talk about is stop loss profit. You have stop loss, and then you have stop loss profit. And again, in another video, I'm going to discuss what is stop loss profit. So here we are down $15. Again, all we need to do is have this bottom line, this basically, you got the bid and the ask. We want the bid to basically hit. Once this line hits this, basically it'll stop us out here. So we're hoping we get a little bit of a drop here. Believe it or not, like I said, most guys don't want to be like, oh, he actually wants to lose on this trade. I want to lose on this trade so you guys can understand this. It is very important. It's better for me to do this. It's better for me to show you guys this so you guys have a better understanding so you guys understand with a real live account how this works. So when you guys start trading, you guys start using real money, you're using, this Tradelocker trading platform, you already know. And you can refer back to this video, right? You can refer back to this video on how to do this, right? You're going to be built with that solid foundation education. Here we are, $15. Again, let's pretend you're at your job. Let's pretend, you got something going on. Maybe you're at a family party, event, you're in a meeting, your boss is nagging you, whatever. Again, this is going to be automatic. This is why I love this trading platform, Tradelocker, because everything's instant, right? Everything's instant. There's no delay. But again, it's very important for you guys to make sure you always set a stop loss. I use a stop loss every trade I take, right? You have hard stop loss and you got mental stop loss, and that's gonna be another video, right? That's gonna be another video that I'm gonna talk about between a hard stop loss and a mental stop loss. Now, obviously, we're still in this trade, and again, stop loss is a very, very powerful tool, right? And there are common mistakes that traders do make, right, with placing a stop loss. So placing a stop loss too close, right? Setting your stop loss obviously too close to the entry can lead to premature exits from trades due to normal market fluctuation. So again, the market is always going to fluctuate. And obviously you want to aim to set your stop loss at a reasonable level based on market volatility in your trading strategy. So you have to know, right? You have to know how much you're willing to risk each trade. It doesn't matter, right? So you could either take smaller size and have a larger stop loss, or you can take bigger size. So that's something you have to figure out. If you take bigger size, right? If you take bigger size, then you're going to have probably a tighter stop loss. But if you take smaller size, then you can basically have a bigger stop loss. So here we are up $19 in profit. We were actually trying to get stopped out, but we're going to adjust our stop loss. So this is actually very good. We're going to adjust this stop loss to stop loss profit, put up there at 425. Boom. Maybe get out enough to go get me a couple of McChickens from McDonald's. See, it says we're supposed to get stopped out for the $4.95, $9.95. But again, not using a stop loss, guys, is obviously, some traders skip using stop loss altogether, revolving solely around their judgment, which this can lead to significant losses, especially in fast moving markets. Obviously, always have a stop loss in place. Always have a stop loss in place, guys. Right? So obviously changing stop loss levels recklessly. A lot of people will do this. So they'll have a stop loss in place and they keep adjusting it further and further away from what it was. Do not adjust it to equal more of a bigger loss. Do not do that. Stick to your plan and trust your trading analysis, okay? So let's see here. We actually want to get stopped out of this trade because I want to show you guys how it's automatically triggered, right? I'm going to show you how it's automatically triggered. Right now we're up $15 with this. We only took 0.05 lots. And again, normally in the morning you can come to the market and take 0.05 lots and really capture big moves on the US 30 NAS 100. So right now we're up $20 with this account. Let's see if this thing actually pushes up more. All right, so it's still going up $25. So I need to adjust the stop loss. Put this maybe. Oh my God. So 20. Let's see if we get stopped out. Okay, so there, boom, we got stopped out. Now if we go to closed positions, you can see that we're out. We actually, here's my trader here. We actually got out. We got stopped out for $19.95. So again, live account, $19. Basically made $20. We made $20 in basically 12 minutes. I mean, again, not bad. Amount to 0.05 lots. My fee is negative 0.35. And again, right? Again, it boils down to position size. I took 0.05 lots on this, but if I took 1.00 lot, which I could have easily took, then I basically jumped in. I don't know. What did I jump in? I don't know what my entry was. Let's see what my entry was on this. We'll put it to, my entry was 42584.85. Was my entry. Oh, no, I'm sorry. My entry was 42580.38. And let's see, my take profit was 42584.85. So that was my buy. So I have, what is going on here? I have the wrong price. Buy, pending, take profit. Something's wrong here. Where's my buy at? Because I have 48. I don't know what I'm talking about. 48, 42, 580.38. Take profit would have been 42.5. So you can just understand 42.8584.85. So I could have, like I said, made $700. You could see if I jumped in where my pending was, and obviously took profit up here, I would have made $750. But nonetheless, again, it all boils down to position size, right? I could have made $700 in like 12 minutes, and again, that's the power of trading, guys. So with the stop loss, again, back to talking about stop loss, it is very, very important to use, right? Very important to use. Stop loss orders are a vital part of successful forex trading. This helps manage risk and automate execution and maintain discipline in your trading approach. So, as you continue to develop your trading skills, be sure to incorporate a stop loss order in your strategies, no matter what. Practice setting them in a real count to understand how they work and how to adjust them based on market conditions. So that's it for this video, and happy trading as always.